Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to fix the problem where your Roblox won't launch on your PC or laptop. So let's jump right in. You can start by checking your internet connection. Go over to your internet here and look out for the internet connection that you connected. As Roblox needs a stable connection, you can restart your Wi-Fi or try connecting with a wired cable if the internet connection is not working. Another thing you can do is you can clear the Roblox cache. So you can go over, press Windows plus R for that. And once you press that, what you may do is you can just go ahead and type in percentage local data and type in local app data and type in percentage once again and type in slash Roblox. This one right here. After that, you just need to hit enter and you can just go ahead and delete the versions folder. And once you delete it, you can look out for the delete option and confirm the delete. Roblox will re-download the fresh files next time you open it up again. Also, what you can do is you can just go ahead and try running Roblox as an administrator. Go to Roblox Player for that and right-click on it and go to the option for properties and open it up. Or you can directly look out for this option called Run as Administrator and head over and click on it and confirm it up, and that should run it as administrator. After that, you can try even going ahead and updating your Windows and drivers. Head over to your Windows update, go to settings for that, Windows plus I, and that should open up your settings. Go to Windows update, and from there go over and look out for update if there's any, and install the updates. Also try updating your graphic drivers. Hit Windows plus X for that and go to device manager and hit enter. After you hit enter, you can just go over to your graphic drivers. Let's be display adapters, expand it up, and right click on your driver and look out for the update driver option and update it. And you can search automatically for drivers. Then update your driver to the latest version. And that's it. Roblox should now launch properly on your PC or laptop. So if this video helped you, make sure to hit like and also subscribe for more fixes.